Hi guys, I'm back here again. In my previous lecture, I showed you how to calculate the variance, standard deviation, and range using the calculator method, the old school method. In this lecture, I'm going to show you how to do the same thing using Excel. Excel makes everything to be fun. That is the most important thing about it. It makes it to be fun. And you will see that what took us a longer time in my previous lecture, it took us just a few minutes to complete. And it doesn't matter how large your number is, that is the power of technology. I'm sure you're gonna enjoy this. So let's start. Let me share my my screen with you guys. Okay, right here. So this is it. The measures of variation. And like I explained in my previous lecture, these measures tell us how far a data set have strayed away from from the mean. Now, these measures includes range, variance, standard deviation, and also the coefficient of the variation. However, in this lecture, I'm focusing on the variance and standard deviation, which are the one that are difficult to get. Yeah. So now, to use the Excel to find it, this is the formula you'll be using right here. Variance.s, then the numbers, put in the numbers all the way to the last number, and then you press the enter key. And to get standard deviation, the same thing, stdev.s. Why s? Because we are dealing with samples. Okay, most of the time you'll be dealing with samples. If you are doing with population, you're going to be stdev.p. Okay, and it's going to be var.p. If you are dealing with the population. But like I said, this one we're dealing with sample. And let's do it. I'm sure you will have fun. Just watch and learn. Okay. Now let's do it. This is the set of numbers here. We are asked to find the variance and the standard deviation. Maybe I will put range here just as it may be complementary. I will say that it is complementary. Range is simply means the largest number minus the smallest number. So here, the largest number, to get it, you can just sort this out and then get it. So let's leave range as the last example in this selection, okay? So because it's so easy. Okay, variance once again is, remember to put the equal sign first. That is a way to make the cell that you want the answer to be ready for work. Put it in a ready mode. So here we have variance equals, you type var.s. So var.s, and you put your parentheses, the opening parenthesis, and start from the first number. Copy it all the way to the last number. Okay. This is the last number right here. And then you close it. Then press the enter key. That will give you the answer right away. I'm sure you enjoy this. So easy. Now, why is our answer? We have two decimal places here. Why our answer doesn't show those decimal places? Well, because it is it rounded it. Otherwise, if you want to include the decimals, just go here and add the decimals. Here, click, see, and they will show. And if you keep clicking it, more will show. Okay, and so on and so forth. Now, standard deviation, maybe normally we say the square root of variance. Yeah, sure, you can also do that. But the formula says stdev.s. Put the equal sign to put Excel in a ready mode. Type stdev.s. Okay. Now copy all the numbers from the beginning to the end. Okay, to the last one. Close it, and that gives you idea. Okay. And if you want to use the old school method to get it, let's say the standard deviation, want to use the old school method, the square root of variance, you can do that as well by saying put equal sign, type SQRT, and put the opening parenthesis. Click on the answer for variance, close it, and then press the enter key. See, get the same thing that you have here. See, so we have found the variance and the standard deviation. Let me highlight it so you can see it. Now, I'm sure you have fun on this. So the complement, let me finalize this by showing you how to get the range, which is the shortest, easiest one to get. So I'm going to make this, arrange it in order from smallest to largest, so I can get the largest number. So once I highlight it, I go all the way here and click on the sort. Say sort and filter, and then choose sort smallest to the largest. This dialog box will come out, give me options. It says expand the selection or continue with the current selection. So I'm continuing with this current selection. So I'm going to click here and then click sort. You can see that it has now arranged it from the smallest to the largest. The smallest is 4.88 and the largest is 807.58. So the range is the largest minus smallest. So put the equal sign. Largest is this minus the smallest, which is this one. And press the enter key. Give us the range right away. So we have the range, the variance, and standard deviation. Imagine how long it will take you to get this if you're using a calculator. It can take up to an hour, or maybe 30 minutes. Anyway, that's the power of technology. I hope you enjoyed my lecture, and I will see you in my next lecture. Thank you. And I'm sure you will have a good day. Bye-bye. And